All right, now a really big problem in my household are magazines. Oh my God, I am addicted to every magazine. I love my magazines and I don't want to throw them all away. But what I do have to do is I have to read some of the things. So, of course, I'm a huge fan of Sydney Bristow. Can you believe they canceled Alias? Hello. Well, now we've got Grey's Anatomy. And Kate, good friend of mine, Kate, I haven't even had a chance to read this article about her. And it's dated December '06. Sorry, Kate. But I'm going to flip to the page that talks about lovely Kate, sweet lady Kate. And I'm going to rip out the pages that correspond to her article. And I'm going to grab myself one of these. Now that it's back to school time, these little trapper keepers are awesome. Remember them back in the 80s? Well, now they come in all these cool colors, and, you know, they're fun for adults, too. So I'm going to grab all the little articles that I've been meaning to read, and you're going to plop them right inside here. And this way, the next time I had to get my nails done, or the next time I go to the dentist's office, God forbid, I'm going to bring this with me, put it in the car, or you may want to keep a bunch of these little folders in a bin by your door or in a cute little wicker basket. So there you have it. There is your hip magazine tip.